One of my specialties is always doing a balloon garland or a ornament garland. When you're doing a ornament garland, you must keep in mind where will this garland be put. And based on where will you put this garland is how the garland need to be made. Because this is a garland that will be used for my stairway. And I also have done one for my mount over the fireplace. You have to keep space in between the garland. If you're adding maybe a green garland with it, or a different color garland with it. But if you're doing a full garland for a wreath, you definitely don't need space in between it. So as you can see here, these are my clusters ornament that have been put together, and I use different sizes, different textures, and different colors. But I left space in between. So again, this is a quick tip. If you want to do a stairway garland. Again, try using different sizes, because the more sizes that you use and shapes, such as this, the most beautiful it will be. So right now it don't look all like that, but definitely when you put it on your stairway or your mount piece, it look fabulous. Again, y'all, this is your girl Bombshell. Thank you for watching Decorating with Bombshell. Talk to you in my next video. Bye. So this is the finished look of my ornament garland for the stairway. As you can see, I have inserted the garland to my other garland, which is the white garland. And that's why it's very important for you to leave space in between the ornament garland. And you will only do this if you're adding this to another garland, as you see here. You can add your other accessories like I have. I added some hanging wreath. Again, this is just an option. And because I'm using white in this room, I went with the white garland. But you can always use the tradition green. So this is the finished look of my stairway garland, ornament garland. Thank you for watching. This is your girl Bombshell. Talk to you on my next video.